Hi, I'm Ophelia from the OnerPro office, and today we're going to talk about anti-permeation. One of the biggest reasons why people get paint protection films on their vehicles is because they want to keep their car paint looking good. That's why anti-permeation is so important. From tree sap to bug stains, there are so many things that can make your car paint yellow and discolor. And that's why OnerPro Nexus has been developed with fluorocarbon coating that ensures your car paint will stay the color that it is for as long as possible. Today we're going to carry out a test with OnerPro Nexus and other competitive brands. We're going to use this corrosive marker. We're going to write on these films, wait 5 minutes, and then we're going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. It's been 5 minutes, and now we're going to clean these films one by one. To show a clear comparison, we'll only be using rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel in this process. The marker ink causes severe discoloration in competitive films, but not OnerPro Nexus. From tree saps to bird droppings, there are so many things in the real world that can cause staining in your car paint. And that's why you need OnerPro Nexus paint protection film to protect your car paint for as long as possible. Join us in the next step of automotive protection.